Hi everyone, this is Rosa-Stagi, and today in this video I am going to show you how to go live on your Facebook using your iPhone. So as you see, this is the icons that I have on my iPhone. You have to look for your Facebook icon. Now, if you don't have your Facebook icon on your phone already, reach out to me and I'll explain how to do that. So you should have your icon on your phone. What you want to do is click it. And as you click it, you'll see that what comes up is your news feed. All right, what's on your mind, and you see my picture, you want to click that. And then you have a series of options. All right, you want to go live, so you want to click the live video. And if you notice, you have a camera up here that next to the X that allows you really to use two cameras. You can use, you can show your guests what you're seeing and talk about that, or you can click that camera back to yourself and show your face and then go on with your live. Now, the first thing that I want to show you is that if you notice up top, it says to public and it says post. So if you leave it like that, you're going to be posting publicly. You can also see who's online. Mike and 141 others are online. So if I want to send this video to a specific friends, and in this case, we're going to do the same as we did with the laptop. We're going to send it to specific friends because we are going to practice doing this with the iPhone. In this case, you're going to send me your video. So you want to look for my name, which comes up. You click on the box, you click done. And if there's another person, in this case, perhaps the accountability person that you want to have helping you with your live. In this case, I'm going to choose Mike. His name comes up. I click in the box. I click done. And then I click out of here. And notice now the two has that the video is going to go to me, Lucy Rosa-Stagi, and the next name is Mike. Now, if you go down below, you will see that the next thing you want to do is tap to add a description. In this case, we are going to, all right, I'm going to simply say I'm going to write in what it is that you're doing. How to go live on Facebook, on Facebook using, let me see, oops, using an iPhone. Using an iPhone. All right. Now, you need not pay any attention to add location or tag friends. Well, that's for a later date. So you're done. You simply are going to now click the start live video. And we'll see that the red tag above says live. You are live at this moment. So you would simply start your live video explaining what it is that you're doing. And when you finish, notice at the bottom, it has a finish, a little tag there. So I would click that and that would end my live video. Okay, so what you want to do is click the next button. All right. You either want to never delete this video or delete it after 30 days. We'll say post after 30 days. Okay, so now you know how to go live. All right. However, you may want to simply go live in a special group. And if that's the case, then you would do pretty much the same thing, except that you would have to get into the group itself before you go live. So notice that you have here groups, you click group and I have all the list of my groups here. So I would look for the group where I want to go live. In this case, I want to go live with Lucy. I would click this. So I'm inside the group already. So now I'm going to prepare myself to go live inside this group. I don't want to post. What I want to do is click the live button and go through the same steps that I showed you before. And notice that this particular live says here, to members of Go Live with Lucy group. All right. And here you would tap to add a description, possibly the same, let's see, how to, I'm going to do this at the same time. Okay, let's just suppose that it's how to go live on your Facebook group using your phone. All right, you click the done and you start your live. And the very same way that you did before, notice that you have the live button. You do your live inside the group. When you finish, you click finish and you end your live video. And that, my friends, is the way that we're going to post for 30 days. And that is the way, my friends, that you do your go live on Facebook using your phone. If you have any questions, all right, message me and I will gladly answer those. And for now, that is it. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.